So I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that is the knock, and that sound is why I'm replacing the motor. So it's about time. Alright, so now I'm trying to get the car to start. See that battery? That's not actually a Mustang battery in there. Car's been sitting for a couple months, so tires went flat, battery's dead. Just trying to charge it a little bit. That's why I'm waiting. I could go ahead and grab my little compressor. Well, okay. Let's see where's. Yeah. Let's see where's my little compressor. Down here. Let's see if we can inflate this tire. Probably would make more sense if I didn't plug it in into the car. You know, I'm trying to get the battery juiced up. All right, let's see. I think I got it set to 32 PSI. All right, let's see if we got enough juice for it to crank up. Gas. So I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that is the knock, and that sound is why I'm replacing the motor. Now the motor is here, was here in Virginia, but it's not at my house. Hasn't been brought to my house yet, although it was supposed to be. So now I can't really. Well, I got to start pulling this old motor anyway. So, but the motor was supposed to be here, and that's why I was pulling out the headers. I wanted to go ahead and try to wrap those. Because while I have the motor that's going in here outside the car, I'll go ahead and do all that stuff. This motor, what I'll do with it is once I pull it out and put the other one in and just get the car running, the other motor I'll be able to take my time, do a rebuild on it, you know, do some funky stuff to it, you know, Dr. Frankenstein it a little bit, get it right for when I put that blower on it. Oh, let's take a look at something else I got here. I mentioned this before, but y'all don't look at my junky trunk. But that spec stage 1 clutch, you probably seen it if you follow my Instagram. You've seen the picture of the clutch. I'm debating on whether I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on. So we got our tire inflated now. I'm probably gonna go ahead and move this thing and move it to the spot where I want it when I start working on it, which I'll probably put it right here. See this? Got white smoke coming out the tailpipe. Yeah, we're gonna pull this motor and we're gonna do a full rebuild on it. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna try to get like some forged rods or whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna do. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I know I want to get it right so she can take some power. You know, the crank should be good anyway for what I want to do, but I want to get it right so she takes some power, because we are going with that Whipple intercooled supercharger.